Welcome back to the Global Local Top Tips, and today, sweet potato pie. This is a classic and I love making it. It is great for the festive season and I'm going to show you my best recipe today. Let's get stuck in. To get started with our sweet potato pie, I've got my metal bowl here, and to that I want to add in some brown sugar. Really important that it's brown sugar and not white sugar for this one. Now I have got 3 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks. Straight in. Ground ginger, turmeric, which is a bit of an unusual one, but it does add a nice colour. Honey, and you could use maple syrup or treacle. Corn flour, cream, milk, and then the sweet potato themselves. So now I've roasted these sweet potatoes, I've wrapped them in alfoil, I've roasted them up, and then I've taken them out and I've peeled them. You could also boil them if you wanted to, but the roasting adds a nuttier flavour to it. So they go straight in. And now I'm going to blend it all up. Now that's all blended up, it's really important that you make sure there's no little bits of potato, chunks of potato in there, and make sure you give it a good blend. The base for this one is exactly the same as the pumpkin pie or the pecan pie. And if you look back in them videos, you'll see the recipe and the method. So I've got my base here and I have baked it off for 30 minutes in the oven. And it's just come out perfectly. And I'm pouring my mix. Give it a little shake. Perfect. Into the oven at 180 Celsius for 35 minutes. Now my sweet potato pie is out of the oven and it's just set. You can give it a little shake and it'll just shake ever so slightly. Started to colour up around the sides, just what we want. All that's left to do is just a little bit of ice and sugar over the top. You don't need to overdo it, it's just a nice contrast in colour. And there you have it. Let it cool down for at least an hour before you slice into it. Serve with a little bit of thickened cream or chantilly cream. And this is gonna be one of the best desserts you'll ever have. Well, there you have it. My best recipe for sweet potato pie. If you enjoy our videos and you'd like to support us in the future, please consider joining our Patreon group. There's some awesome extras, Q&A sessions, our upcoming cookbooks, and some unseen videos. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future. Hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon. We'll see you soon.